260Q, inflate this all the way. And once you inflate this all the way, release the air like that. And then you need a tube, some kind of tube, any tube that you can find, and you attach your scrap 260Q here. You put the tip of your balloon 260Q just to hold it in place and just roll it flat. Keep rolling. So for this project, I need a helping hand. So CJ, if you can hold it on this side, hold it in there, and then it'll pump air. And then pump air. That's it. Here's your coiled balloon, nice and easy. And then you just have to tie this end. Here's your coiled balloon. Here you go, guys. This is the final outlook. This is our balloon coil. This is how you curl a balloon 260Q. And give it a try, and you can put this as a decoration to additional decoration for your balloons. So don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.